How to create your free trial account. Go to NewWayService.com, then click on Try NewWayService now. Enter your name, email, and choose a password. Enter the number displayed in the CAPTCHA. Enter your company name, accept the privacy policy, terms of service, then click Create My Account. Once your account is created, you are automatically redirected to the information about your company option. Take a moment to enter your business information, such as your address, phone number, and email. This information will be printed on your work orders or displayed in the customer portal. If you have a company logo, you can upload it in the application by clicking on the button Load a Logo. It will also be printed on your work orders or in the customer portal. Click the Save button to save your information. You can return to this option at any time to make changes by clicking on the More tab, then selecting Menu, Configuration, Information about your company. At the top, under the tab bar, you will find the NewWayService Startup Wizard in blue. Just click the Show button, then use Next Step and Previous Step buttons to navigate through the wizard. We recommend that you take the time to follow this wizard, which will introduce you to most of the NewWayService options. At the last step, you can even give your opinion and submit your comments. Once your comments are submitted, the wizard disappears. You can display the wizard again at any time by clicking on the More tab, then selecting the NewWayService Startup Wizard option. Once displayed, this wizard remains visible in most of the NewWayService options. Just click the X on the right to hide it.